Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on USD CAD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that USD CAD is giving us a significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade dollar CAD. Looking at monthly, now from the monthly we see the dollar CAD has formed a very interesting price action. We see that from this resistance zone, this is the monthly candle, there was a strong rejection from the top with a very strong liquidity grab. As you can see, it has crossed almost 4 months high and then closed back below as a pin bar into the range. We could see that this market now might come for a bigger drop, and we saw that once the market opened here, there is a gap opening. The price primarily has tested the gap and then rejected. Now this is the high of this current monthly, and also this is the previous support zone. Let's see where we can expect now dollar CAD to have another rejection. As the market open with a gap, there is a liquidity gap, we could see a strong move on dollar CAD in this direction. So let's look at now weekly perspective. Now from the weekly, we see that there is a typical double top here and then has broken down from that zone with this long bearish engulf around the weekly, and we saw the price tested this support as a resistance. This is the high of the weekly so far. This is forming a doji. What I think that dollar CAD, because it's a weekly doji, we might even see this candle is closing as a weekly doji. Now because it's almost at the end of the week and there's an FP coming, we could see initially a bounce to the upside, breaking this high, and then we can expect dollar CAD to have a rejection. As this market has a strong rejection, very highly unlikely that dollar CAD will be able to break this high to create a new higher high. So looking at daily, we can see that from the daily there is very strong rejection. After this kind of rejection, we can expect further drop. Now the price on a pullback, which is a very healthy in a trending market. Now this is the daily chart. Let's place our Fibonacci from starting of this move to the end of the move. We can see the dollar CAD now heading to 38.2% Fibonacci level. We can draw all of them to see where we can expect now dollar CAD to go ahead and test. Now this is an important level of support, turn resistance, and also all these three levels are quite important for dollar CAD for this move to the upside. And from any of this level, we can expect dollar CAD to have a rejection. Now looking at the lower time frame on the intraday, we see that USD CAD is going up along this channel. Now this channel is quite significant. What we can expect now from this channel, as it is an upward channel, bullish channel, we can expect it to break to the upside initially and then to break to the downside to trend for a long term downtrend. Now what we will be waiting at this point, if we see that there is a swing low on dollar CAD with this move, this zone is quite significant. We see that quite a few levels that we can look at during the news. If we see the dollar CAD has gone up and given us a strong liquidity gap from any of this level, we will be waiting for a strong rejection from the top. After a liquidity grab, we will consider going short dollar CAD according to the rules of our strategies to take this move to the downside with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section what you are thinking about dollar CAD. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.